Imagine waking up to the soft sound of rain tapping gently on your roof. But instead of being stuck in one place, you're parked beside a peaceful lake, surrounded by mountains, or maybe a quiet forest. This isn't a dream. It's the reality of living in a tiny home on wheels that at first glance, it looks small, almost too small. But the moment you step inside, everything changes. Every inch is thoughtfully designed. Every corner has a purpose. And suddenly, you realize this tiny space might actually have everything you truly need. The door opens to a warm, cozy interior. Natural light floods in through large windows, making the space feel bigger than it is. The walls are often lined with beautiful wood finishes, giving it that comforting, cabin-like vibe. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a home that just happens to move. Right on one side, you'll find a compact kitchen, but don't underestimate it. There's a small stove, a sink, clever storage cabinets, and sometimes even a mini fridge tucked neatly into the design. Everything is within arm's reach. Cooking here isn't just easy, it feels intentional. No clutter, no chaos, just simple living. Then comes the living area. It might be a small bench, a foldable sofa, or even a multi-purpose seating space that transforms into a bed. That's the magic of a tiny home on wheels. Nothing is just one thing. Your dining table might fold into the wall. Your stairs might double as storage drawers. Even the bed could lift up to reveal hidden compartments underneath. And speaking of the bed, it's usually tucked away in a loft area. You climb a small ladder or staircase, and suddenly you're in your own cozy sleeping space. It's snug, peaceful, and honestly, it feels like a little escape above the world below. But what really makes this lifestyle special isn't just the design. It's the freedom that you're not tied to one location. You're not stuck paying massive rent every month. You can wake up by the beach one week and in the mountains the next. Your backyard changes whenever you want it to. Think about that for a second and noisy neighbors. No crowded cities unless you choose them. Just you, your space, and the open road. Of course, it's not just about travel. For many people, it's about simplifying life. In a world full of distractions and endless stuff, tiny living forces you to focus on what truly matters. You don't have space for unnecessary things, so you keep only what you love and need, and somehow, that makes life feel lighter. Financially, it's also a game changer. Traditional homes can cost a fortune. Mortgages, bills, maintenance, it all adds up. But a tiny home on wheels is often far more affordable. Many people build or buy one for a fraction of the cost of a regular house. That means less stress, fewer financial worries, and more freedom to actually enjoy life. But let's be real, it's not always easy. Living in a small space requires adjustment. You have to stay organized. You have to be mindful of your water, electricity, and storage. And yes, sometimes you might miss having extra space. But here's the interesting part. Most people who switch to this lifestyle say they wouldn't go back.